Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the leveling leg on your stove. The reason why you would have to do this is because the leg is damaged and you can't properly level the stove. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. Move the stove forward a bit so we can tip it back and get to our feet. Actually, I might be able to twist this. This actually reminds me of another corny joke. What do you call somebody with one leg shorter than the other? Eileen. Now, grab your new OEM replacement leveling leg. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And I'm going to screw it in all the way. And then once we have it set up, we can adjust if needed. And your repair is complete. A Spanish magician was doing a magic trick, and he said, "Uno, dos," then he just disappeared without a trace. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.